Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm very late unboxing the February Tamed Wild box. I used to get this box for about 1.5 years, and then they changed it to this new format, this current format. I started out with the Wild Medicine or the Wild Apothecary box, and it's changed. So what I like about this is that they preview what they have for that month, so you already know going in what it is that you're going to get pretty explicitly. So I did find that I liked what was coming, and I felt like it was a good value, so I did purchase this box as a one-off. So one thing I will say for them, they have very cute boxes. Again, this is for February. This is old news, but I just want to share it with you. So I love the art. This is what's coming in it. And this is just like a little insert with some information we'll come back to. You guys know I like to read the information last. Love stories of myth and lore. So that's kind of cute. I'll read that. I actually have a ton of these Tamed Wild books that I'm going to probably sell, like rehome. So if that's something you're interested in, send me a message. After I read this, I will probably put it up with others. So these are really pretty note cards. I do like note cards. I collect them. You've probably seen my hauls in the past. I haven't done a haul in quite some time just because I'm just completely, lots going on. So very pretty, small size, very pretty. My sisters would enjoy these, which is one of the reasons that I got them, is to kind of like, one of my sisters is really into art journaling, and so I thought it'd be a cool thing to share with them when they come up to visit me in the summer. We've got a Nail Junkie Moisturizing Cuticle Oil Wisteria. That's kind of cool. I usually use the Lemony Flutter from Lush, but this is nice to kind of have in your bag because I get raggedy cuticles because I have to wash my hands so often as a nurse. This I recently got the Royal Wax Seal orders, and I shared that with you guys if you're interested. I like this one. It's a moon. So I thought that would go nice with my collection that I'm already getting. This is a very nice kit, very reasonable price for this box. It's like 20 bucks with shipping. 20 bucks and then you pay for shipping. So super good deal. As if you like all the items, I would definitely check this box out periodically and see if it's worth it for you that particular month. The little agate hearts are a little bit smaller than I thought, but they are quite cute, and I do like that they're black and white, which are my favorite. Well, black's my favorite color, but they're very nice colors. Heart Chakra Herbal Tea. This will probably go in my for sale bin. I'm not super big on tea. And if I am going to drink tea, it's almost always going to be chai. My son loves when I make chai. And I make it with coconut milk for him, so he loves that a lot. So overall, I think this is a really nice box. That's why I purchased it as a one-of. Let's just review. The Heart Chakra Tea, which is hibiscus, lemon balm, cloves, lavender, licorice root, orange zest, and stevia. So it probably tastes really good. I may or may not consider it. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm wishy-washy at this point. No actual commitment. Just keep moving forward. The Love Stories booklet, because it's in honor of Lupercalia. Fairy Tales and That Which Keeps Our Heart Beating. 13 stories about desire and self-discovery. So I'll check that out. Love Letters, which is these little note cards. They have some suggestions. You can address it to your childhood self. You could address it to your present self. You could address it to your future self. You could address it to a mentor, deity, lover, friend, teacher, or family member, or a stranger. The Wax Seal Stamp Kit, I'm guessing for sealing the love letters, and the agate hearts. They say make a very nice palm stone. And the cuticle oil for, daily, or save it for a special evening of self-care. All of that is good stuff that I will totally use. And then it's just their little insert about the month of February, which obviously is already passed, so I'm not even going to worry about it, with a little ritual you can do around these love letters, which is really neat. But I probably am not going to do that. I probably am going to save them for what I originally thought, although I am going to make an effort to use these a bit more, but we'll see how that manifests. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. This was the, let me put this more in the frame. This was the Tame Wild box for February 2021. Very late, but better late than never. And you guys, I'm going to leave the link below. I wasn't super fond of their March box, and I think you literally just have one more day to get it if you do want it. You could buy their box for that month any day of the current month. So you have until March 31st to buy March's box. You have until April 30th to buy April's box, so on and so forth. But definitely check it out, because periodically I feel like for 20 bucks, they really have a sweet little package for yourself or for a friend or loved one. Anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's going to be quite a bit of content coming up as I'm catching up on last month's March's boxes, and as April boxes start trickling in. Also, I got a ton of new books, ton. If you haven't seen my personal update, check it out. But I have been spending my feelings, and that has manifested in like a lot of witchy books. A lot of books. And that's okay, because books, I feel like, are something that really are very tangible and hold their value, and I'm okay with that. So lots of books. I've actually gotten quite a few decks in my boxes that I need to review, so I'm kind of backlogged on my books. I'm backlogged on my decks. I still have over 100 books to review for you guys, which I'll read. I'm not going to commit to anything, but I am going to try to start reading for myself a bit more, and as I do that, making reviews for you guys on the channel. The decks, of course, I'll be doing that as well, and just periodic things that I want to share with you guys, including, you know, it is spring, so we're going to be incubating our eggs, we're going to be planting our garden, and those are things that I've always enjoyed sharing with you, because they're such meaningful, important things in my life. So as long as I can find the time and it's nourishing to me, I want to share all of those things with you. And please let me know in the comments below if that's something that you want to see. I love you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye.